Yeah, good morning to one and all. This is Naveen Kumar Siramoju. So we are in the part 30 of C program tutorial, and from the previous 2 to 3 classes we are dealing with a concept called as operators, and we have seen the concept of assignment operators, we have seen the concept of arithmetic operators. Now it's the time for us to understand about the relational operators. So the topic today is relational operators in C, right? So when we are comparing two operands, then we will be using the operators called as relational operators. It is very simple. Relational operators can be used to make comparison comparison between operands, or else we can say simply as the variables or constants or values. This is as simple as it is. Now when you are trying to make some comparisons, right, between the operands or variables or constants or values, then we will be using the relational operators. So here is the list of the relational operators, and what we'll do is we will be talking about each and every operator in detail in the form of an example program. So the list is like this: operator and the meaning we do have. On seeing just the operator symbol, you can easily identify the meaning, but still I will be explaining you. Like in mathematics, if at all you want to compare any two values, you will be using single equal to symbol, but here you are using double equal to symbol, and this is the first type of right relational operator, which is uh, taken to check whether the values on both sides are equal or not. The second one is this one, which is red has not equal to. The third one is this one, greater than. The fourth one is this one, which is nothing but greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, right? And we have this one, which is red has less than, and we have the last type of relational operator, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So we do have 6 types of relation operators here. The first one is equal to, the second one is not equal to, the third one is greater than, the fourth one is greater than or equal to, the fifth one is less than, the sixth one is less than or equal to. So what we will do is we will be trying to execute these relation operators with the help of one small program, so that you can easily understand how the program implementation is done here. So we'll be going into the DevC software application, where you can see the development of the code. So for this I am going here, I am selecting a new document, and I am saving it with a name called as relational operator demo.c. We have this one. Now I'm starting the code is like this: hash include stdio.h, hash include console input output dot h, int main. Then we are going with the declaration of variables a comma b, but then printf enter the values of a and b, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. Then we are going with the actual logic here. Once we have accepted the values through the keyboard of a and b, here comes the logic. If a is equal to b is equal to b, then printf equal, right, and go with the semicolon here, end of the statement. If a is not equal to b, then printf not equal to. If a is greater than b, printf a is greater. If a is greater than or equal to b, printf a is greater than or equal to b, semicolon here. Then if a is less than b, then printf a is lesser. If a is less than or equal to b, printf a is less than or equal to b. Then once this is done, you go with return 0. Right, so this is all about the small program which is demonstrating the relational operators. Now what I will do is I will be saving it once again, then I will go with execution part. First of all, I will compile it. So if at all I compile it, so it is showing that there are no errors, there are no warnings here. So I will go with running the program. So it is asking us to enter the values of a and b. So I am entering the values of a and b here. I will enter 10 comma 20. Then what's been shown not equal to is been shown. A is lesser than b is shown. A is lesser than or equal to b is shown. There are 3 conditions where these values are satisfying. So you have to understand here. Never in relational operators, you have to understand that when 2 values or 2 or more values are given, more than one conditions will be getting satisfied based upon the conditions, right? So this is all about the concept of programming today. So in the next class we'll be talking more on the subject. Thank you.